This isn't ordinary money. It's one of the world's most advanced polymer banknotes.
Hidden inside are security features designed to defeat even the smartest counterfeiters. Today, we're entering the fascinating world where Australia's safest money is created. Unlike paper money, every Australian note begins with a remarkable polymer foundation.
Now the transformation begins, where science turns polymer into trusted currency.
The journey begins with a transparent polymer film, engineered for exceptional strength and durability. Every sheet is inspected before it can become Australia's trusted currency.
Even microscopic dust is removed before the printing process begins. The famous transparent window starts taking shape long before the first ink is applied.
Now the blank polymer enters the printing stage, where security meets precision engineering.
The polymer sheets now enter the most important stage, precision currency printing.
Thousands of precise movements transform clear polymer into a valuable banknote.
The raised printing creates a unique texture that people can feel instantly.
But printing is only the beginning. The hidden security technology is still waiting.
The transparent window is one of Australia's most recognizable security innovations.
Special scanning technology reveals security elements invisible during normal viewing.
Millions of microscopic details help protect every note from counterfeiting.
Every security feature must pass advanced tests before approval.
Verified.
Only flawless banknotes continue their journey toward circulation.
Before production, every design element is carefully planned for beauty and security.
Special inks create the unique colours and effects that define Australian currency.
Layer by layer, the artwork transforms into a recognizable Australian masterpiece. Every line and color carries meaning, history, and advanced technology.
The design is complete, but more security steps are still ahead.
Every Australian banknote receives a unique identity through its serial number. These tiny details help identify and authenticate every individual note. Behind every note is a sophisticated system designed for security and control. Advanced machines check every detail before the notes can move forward. After passing every test, the banknotes are ready for their final journey.
Huge printed sheets now enter a precision stage where individual banknotes are created.
Every cut must be perfectly accurate to maintain quality and security.
Robotic systems organize thousands of banknotes with incredible precision.
Expert inspectors carefully examine every note before final approval.
After counting and packaging, these notes move closer to entering the economy.
Before release, every banknote faces one final battle against imperfections. Special scanners reveal hidden features that ordinary eyes cannot detect.
Any note with a tiny flaw is removed before reaching the public. Experts review every result to ensure Australia's currency meets strict standards.
Only perfectly tested banknotes are trusted to enter circulation.
After approval, these valuable notes enter a world of maximum security.
Every movement is carefully controlled, from the factory to the banking network.
Protected journeys ensure Australia's money reaches its destination safely. Before circulation, every shipment receives another layer of verification.
The transparent window is a revolutionary feature that helps verify authenticity instantly.
Tiny printed details create a powerful barrier against counterfeit attempts. Simple movements reveal advanced technology hidden inside the design.
The spectrometer readings indicate a perfect match.
And the microprint is flawless.
Authorization granted.
Every layer of protection makes this one of the world's most secure banknotes.
Australia changed the future of money by introducing a revolutionary polymer technology.
Years of research created a material designed to survive longer than traditional paper notes. Polymer technology provides durability, cleanliness, and resistance against everyday damage.
Australia's innovation inspired many nations to explore polymer currency technology.
This banknote became a symbol of Australian innovation and engineering excellence.
After leaving the factory, each banknote begins its journey through Australia's financial system.
Eventually, this advanced piece of technology reaches everyday people.
With a simple look and touch, people can verify many security features themselves. Behind every note is a story of science, creativity, and precision.
But the biggest question remains: what makes this polymer money so difficult to copy?
The final challenge begins, where every security feature must prove its reliability.
Multiple technologies examine features invisible during normal, everyday use.
Experts confirm every detail matches the original design with extreme accuracy.
Every angle reveals another layer of protection hidden inside the design.
After passing every test, this banknote earns its place among the world's safest currencies.
Australia's polymer technology changed how the world thinks about modern currency.
This achievement combines science, engineering, and decades of Australian innovation.
From factories to everyday life, these banknotes support millions of transactions.
A journey from transparent polymer to trusted money, built with Australian precision.
Every hidden feature represents years of research, innovation, and security engineering.
The future of currency continues with new ideas and advanced technology.
The quantum markers show unparalleled resilience.
Australia's currency journey shows how innovation transformed everyday money. This is more than a banknote. It is a masterpiece of modern engineering.
A small piece of polymer, carrying a huge story of technology and trust. Behind this small note exists a world of science, technology, and precision.
From a transparent sheet to trusted money, every step is engineered perfectly.
This is why Australia's polymer currency is admired around the world. A symbol of Australian innovation, security, and confidence for the future.
The next time you see a banknote, remember, behind it is an entire world of hidden technology.